When you want to install a new app on your phone, did you know that an App Store search suggestion is not a search result? And sometimes a suggestion can throw you in the wrong direction. Watch this to learn the difference between an app suggestion and a search result. There are nearly 2 million apps available in the App Store, and using the search function is usually the quickest way to find the app you want. Start typing into the search bar and you'll notice a list of suggestions that change with each additional letter you type in. This looks like you're receiving search results, but actually these are suggestions. In fact, many of the suggestions, there is no app with that name. Search suggestions are mostly based on what other people have typed into the search bar and what's trending. Often these suggestions are helpful, but sometimes cause confusion. Here are 3 app search examples, each in slightly different ways. Just before, don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps. First, say I want to install WhatsApp. I type in the letter W, and straight away WhatsApp appears as the first suggestion. I press on WhatsApp, and with having typed in no more than one letter, I have the result I was after. In this example, the suggestion worked well. A second example. This time, I'm after a new game. But I don't have a specific app name. I'm after some ideas. So I type in the word games, and the suggestions are now helping me out with some game categories. This helps me on my way to narrowing down to a game that may appeal. So far, the suggestions are still working well. Let's try a third search. This time, I want to install the Sonus app to control my speakers. So I type in Sonus, and suggestions appear with some ambiguous results. And if you're not already familiar with the app, it may leave you wondering which one to select. In this case, this is where I do not select from any of the suggestions. Simply press the search button, and the result will be a direct search for the most relevant apps. Pressing the search button isn't influenced with what others have entered or any trends. It is an actual search based on what you have entered. A warning. Regardless of if you use app suggestions or a direct search, always ignore the first result. The app that appears first is a sponsored app, as in an advertisement. The app that appears second on the list is the top result from your search. So now you know the difference between a suggestion and an app search. Hit the like button, subscribe or follow Tech with Tony to receive new tips and to explore the back catalogue. I'll see you there.